It's simple and lovely. It's the best beginner song to start with. We do this in 5 easy steps everyone can do. And we start with step number 1 and play A and C. A with thumb and C with middle finger. And we press the pedal. Without pedal it sounds like this, and with foot pedal it sounds like this. That's step number 1. C, A, C, A, C, A, C, A. Okay, let's go on with step number 2. It's C, A, E, A, C, A, E, A, C, A, E, A, C, A, E, A. Middle finger, pinky finger, middle finger, pinky finger, middle finger, pinky finger. And of course we have the thumb. So that's step number 2. Let's go on with step number 3. With the left hand, we play A. We play it now. We play it now. Yeah, slowly it looks like this. Left hand and right hand together. And then the right hand goes on alone. And again. 2, 3, 4, together. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, together. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, together. 2, 3, 4, together. 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's go on with step number 4. And now we play the thumb in the left hand. We play the pointer. We play the middle finger and we hold it. We play the thumb A. We play the pointer G. We play the middle finger F. We hold it. 1, 2, 3. Again. A, G, F. And one more time. A, G, and F. Okay, let's go on with step number 5. We start calm and slow and become faster and louder. And this brings in the emotions. So again, calm. So we start singing with the piano again. And for the next step, I highly recommend that you check out the link in the description below, because this is my piano crash course for beginners. It's a real piano course and you can start there for free together with me in a matter of seconds. So click the link in the description below and see you there.